Enchild has actually brought a lot of joy and also knowing right into my life just recently.
But also my personal development, giving me a stronger sense of determination to strive more in life.
However, over the years, I have grown alongside Enchild, and I pushed the boundaries of my education, striving to match the opportunities provided by the scholarship.
Good afternoon, everyone. So I would certainly wish to take a time to share to you the amazing trip I have actually just recently gotten on, specifically with somebody really valuable in my life, the Inchild. Life with Inchild has been like entering a new universe full of surprise and joy. Inchild has actually brought a lot of joy and also knowing right into my life just recently. Their kindness and warmth have taught me a great deal about friendship and empathy. It's incredible how we can connect and understand each other despite our diverse backgrounds. Inchild has become a pillar of support and strength in my life, providing ongoing encouragement and inspiration in times of triumph and struggle. Their unwavering presence has actually instructed me the real definition of friendship, a bond formed through trust, understanding, and unconditional love. As I ponder these special moments with Inchild, I am loaded with gratitude for the experiences we've shared together, with the memories we've built together. They've brought so much joy and warmth into my life, as well as I'm constantly glad for it. Life with Enchild is a harmony of giggling, knowing as well as love, a song that echoes deep within my heart, loading it with happiness plus thankfulness. As well as our journey with each other remains to unravel, I'm thrilled to see what brand new experiences wait for us, recognizing that in child at the hand, the opportunities are unlimited. So, as we prepare for our upcoming study tour to the Philippines in 2024, we expand a heartfelt invite for you to join us on this incredible journey. We believe that your visit to the Philippines will certainly be a fascinating along with amazing experience, loaded with minutes of exploration, relationships, as well as ideas. We'll guarantee you'll have a great time and create unforgettable memories. We really hope you can come. Thank you.
Thank you, Rufa.
So I will start my speech. Good afternoon, everyone, especially our dear Japanese family who have been so supportive throughout my journey. My name is Angel Respecia from Barangay Los Angeles, and I would like to take this opportunity to tell you about my incredible impact that InChild has had on my life as a beneficiary. For many people like myself, InChild's unwavering dedication to empowerment and education has been a source of hope. Being one of the beneficiaries, I have witnessed the life-changing potential of education made possible by committed sponsors like you. InChild has not only helped me financially, but it has also supported my goals, nourished my dreams, and given me the information and abilities I need to succeed. Along with InChild assistance, I was able to pursue my passion for learning. Small gestures such as helping aren't small at all. This support has influenced not only my academic path, but also my personal development, giving me a stronger sense of determination to strive more in life. Together, let's keep igniting change and empowering dreams. I and we truly appreciate your unwavering support. Arigato gozaimasu.
Thank you,
Arigato gozaimasu.
Angel.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Edric Jan Obaldado, and I am honored to stand before you today as a proud Enchild scholar for 10 years. My journey with Enchild began in grade 8, and today I am in my fifth year of college pursuing Bachelor of Science in Architecture. I still vividly remember my first Enshald's study tour back in 2016. I was young and unsure, navigating both the scholarship and my community. However, over the years, I have grown alongside Enchild, and I pushed the boundaries of my education, striving to match the opportunities provided by the scholarship. My efforts were recognized, and I was honored with an award for excellence by Enchild. As I matured, I also took on a role as a youth leader within Enchild. I had the privilege of reaching out to those in need, participating in relief efforts after the 2019 typhoon, and providing Christmas gifts for low to no income individuals in our community in 2022, all made possible by the Enchild's support. Throughout my journey with Enchild, I have witnessed countless transformations, both in myself and in my community, and I have made lifelong friends and memories that will forever be cherished. So I invite you to join us on the Enchild Study Tour, witness firsthand the impact of your support as you meet scholars who have grown from young, uncertain individuals to responsible, empowered adults, all thanks to Enchild Philippines. Thank you for considering this incredible opportunity to make a difference in the lives of Filipino scholars. Together, we can continue to inspire and uplift the next generation of leaders. Arigato gozaimasu.
One Piece. はい、ありがとうございます。Thank you so much.